All Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico coastal areas are subject to hurricanes or tropical storms. Parts of the southwest United States and the Pacific coast experience heavy rains and floods each year from hurricanes spawned off Mexico. The Atlantic hurricane season lasts from June to November, with the peak season from mid-August to late October. Hurricanes can cause catastrophic damage to coastlines and several hundred miles inland. Winds can exceed 155 miles per hour. Hurricanes and tropical storms can also spawn tornadoes and microbursts, create storm surges along the coast, and cause extensive damage from heavy rainfall. Hurricanes are classified into 5 categories based on their wind speed, central pressure, and damage potential. Category 3 and higher hurricanes are considered major hurricanes, though Category 1 and 2 are still extremely dangerous and warrant your full attention. How are the hurricane categories determined? Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Scale. Category 1. Sustained winds 74 to 95 miles per hour. Damage: minimal. Unanchored mobile homes, vegetation, and signs. Storm surge 4 to 5 feet. Category 2. Sustained winds 96 to 110 miles per hour. Damage: moderate. All mobile homes, roofs, small crafts, flooding. Storm surge 6 to 8 feet. Category 3. Sustained winds 111 to 130 miles per hour. Damage: extensive. Small buildings, low-lying roads cut off. Storm surge 9 to 12 feet. Category 4. Sustained winds 131 to 155 miles per hour. Damage: extreme. Roofs destroyed, trees down, roads cut off, mobile homes destroyed, beach homes flooded. Storm surge 13 to 18 feet. Category 5. Sustained winds more than 155 miles per hour. Damage: catastrophic. Most buildings destroyed. Vegetation destroyed. Major roads cut off. Homes flooded. Storm surge greater than 18 feet. Hurricanes can produce widespread torrential rains. Floods are the deadly and destructive result. Slow-moving storms and tropical storms moving into mountainous regions tend to produce especially heavy rain. Excessive rain can trigger landslides or mudslides, especially in mountainous regions. Flash flooding can occur due to intense rainfall. Flooding on rivers and streams may persist for several days or more after the storm. Between 1970 and 1999, more people lost their lives from freshwater inland flooding associated with land-falling tropical cyclones than from any other weather hazard related to tropical cyclones. Before a hurricane. To prepare for a hurricane, you should take the following measures. Make plans to secure your property. Permanent storm shutters offer the best protection for windows. A second option is to board up windows with 5/8" marine plywood, cut to fit and ready to install. Tape does not prevent windows from breaking. Install straps or additional clips to securely fasten your roof to the frame structure. This will reduce roof damage. Be sure trees and shrubs around your home are well trimmed. Clear loose and clogged rain gutters and downspouts. Determine how and where to secure your boat. Consider building a safe room.